power button on the front, push and hold that until this blue light comes on here. Wait for it to load. It's loaded. So now on the side, the top of the two buttons, push and hold that until you get the Wi-Fi icon on the front of the screen, like that. Then go into your phone, go to settings, Wi-Fi. We're currently connected to an internet, so we'll come off of that and we'll go on to Action Cam. That's it, that's now showing connected to Action Cam. So close that, come across to the XDV app, click on that. Connected, Action Cam, so it's telling us it's connected. Click on it there, that'll load. That's now connected to the camera.